Hello, welcome to the Spoon for Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make ต้มยำ beef or ต้มยำเนื้อ Okay, let's start with our herb. Okay, so ต้มยำ of course we're gonna have the lemongrass. So I use 3 lemongrass. So I'm gonna break them down a little bit before I cut them. So the essential oil from the lemongrass coming out. Alright. You can use the back of the knife to do it if you don't have the pestle and mortar. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to cut the lemongrass. Just a big cut into the big chunk. Okay. All 3. Okay, and I have the galangal. The galangal is frozen, so I already cut. I use 6 slices of the galangal, and I have the kaffir leaf. Okay, I use 7 because it's small. I use 7 if it's big. You can just use 6 of them. Alright, and I'm gonna cut some onion. For the onion, I'm just gonna cut them to the big chunk. Okay. And while you cut, you prep our herb and vegetable, you can just turn the stove on. That I put the 6 cups of water into the pot and I turn on the stove already. Okay, so they will be ready when we done cut our veggies and herb. Okay, next I have my tiny tomato. I have 12 of them because they're small. If you have the big one, you can just use 6 of them. This one is from my friend backyard. Lisa just gave it to me. So this is a fresh tomato. Okay, I use 12 of them and then I just gonna cut them half. Okay, so now we're going to start put our herb and veggies. Alright, so now perfect. I put 6 cups of the water. Okay, inside the pot. So now I put the 3 lemongrass that we just cut them. Oh, a little bit hot. Okay, 3 lemongrass and then 6 leaf, the kaffir leaf. Okay, and the galangal, I slice them, 6 of them. For actually, if the kaffir leaf, I'm gonna tear them up a little bit, but I know 2 of the leaf already chopped inside there. It get more flavored, open up all the better. All the oils, essential oil inside the leaf. Okay, the last piece is lemongrass, and you can see inside the water. Soon I put all the herb in here, all start changing green from lemongrass and kaffir lime, and the smell essential oil is really good right now. And next I'm gonna put the onion, the whole onion that we cut to the big chunk. Put them all in. Oh, 2 more lemongrass here. A little bit more the kaffir lime here. They're hiding under the onion. Okay. Alright. I will keep the tomato for now and then I will wait a little bit before I put the tomato so they're not getting all too mushy. Okay, so I will turn on to the low heat because I'm gonna give them the cover, let them simmer about 5 minutes and we can go back, so let the herb cooking and bring all the essential oil and the flavor, so we can go back and cut and prepare the next ingredient. Okay, and now while our herb and veggie be simmer, so now we're gonna come and cut our beef. So I use the beef chuck roll, so I'm gonna cut them and the bite size. I'm not gonna cut them very thick because the beef is gonna cook very quick, so I'm just gonna cut them into the about this bite size. Okay. So for the beef, we're gonna thin it slice. You don't need to use the expensive cut for this tom yum. I know, and this is a summer, so summer. Why you hungry for soup? But tom yum, you can eat tom yum all the time. Like I'm just say, one of my favorite food is the tom yum soup. And tom yum have so many different tom yum, seafood tom yum, or you can do beef, pork, chicken. So today I choose to do the beef. Okay, so now I finished cutting our beef, so I'm gonna put it right here on the side. Not gonna go in yet. I'm gonna have to put the tomato first. Want to let this tomato cook a little bit inside the broth. Okay, so now open. Okay, we let them simmer so the onion and all the herb cooking. Now I'm gonna add tomato. All the tomato go in. Alright, and then I'm going to put the seasoning in here while I put the tomato too. Okay, for the seasoning and the simple today, okay, I'm gonna use the 1.5 tablespoon salt. 1.5 tablespoon salt go in. Alright, and then gonna be the 2 teaspoon the beef boil. Okay, 2 teaspoon beef flavored. Okay, 1, 2. Alright, and gonna be 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. I don't want to use a lot of fish sauce in this tom yum, but if still want the umami flavor from the fish sauce, so just gonna use 1 tablespoon. Okay, go in and I'm gonna put the heat to the medium. I want to let the tomato cooking, and I'm gonna put the cover back on, and now we can have the time to prepare another topping. Okay, while our tomato cooking inside the soup, inside the broth, and now I have time to pep, so I'm pepping the cilantro, I'm pepping green onion and mint, and also I cutting the lime chili, and I have the fried dry chili also. Okay, so now time to put the beef inside our soup. Okay, look at the tomato floating. Okay, now I'm gonna taste the broth a little bit, though I might need more salt or fish sauce. It's already salty enough. Okay, so now next I'm gonna put the beef inside. I use 1.5 pound beef. Okay, and then I remove some extra fat. Alright, gonna put them all in here. Oh, be careful. Okay, and now we're gonna high up the heat. Okay, putting high heat. Alright. Okay, give them the mix. Okay, give the beef the good mix. Okay, and I'm gonna put the cover back on the high heat. Okay, it's just about few minutes because the beef cook very fast. Okay, be ready about 3 minutes. Okay, and now, look at all the boil. So now I'm gonna bring the heat to medium. Okay, and now I'm going to remove the extra fat, extra scrum, extra foam up here, whatever call. I'm sorry. All right, if I not say it right, sorry. All right. Okay, and now we're ready to put the topping. Wow, they look really good. Look at everything here and smell really good too. So now it's gonna be even smell better after I add this herb too. Okay, I add cilantro. I chopping cilantro. I use about ½ cup. Okay, and green onion. I use 3 green onion. Doing this like I put them all, and also the mint from my backyard. Yeah, I use a small handful mint. Okay, everything go inside. Alright, and I'm gonna give them the one more thing, I almost forget. One more thing, I have the fried chili. I use 8 of them. I have fried chili too. This is the optional. But if you add into it, it will bring your soup even really good, because they add the smoky flavor, spicy and smoky flavor into your soup. Okay, and now I will give them the last mix. Okay, that's it, we're done. All we have to do is just add some chili, add lime into our bowl, and we're ready to enjoy the tom yum beef. Look at all this smoke. Oh my god, smell really good. If you love tom yum, you will love this recipe. Okay, so now look at all this. I'm gonna put the inside the big bowl. Let me turn this a little. Hot. I'm gonna put inside the bowl. Oh, look at this. I cannot wait to eat this. Okay, just fill up into your bowl much that you like, and then add some lime, add some chili, Thai chili, I didn't want to put the Thai chili inside there because it's very spicy and some people cannot handle this spicy, so I only like to put separate. And also for the lamb, if you add on into your bowl after, it will taste a lot better, more refreshing. If you add into the soup, the broth, when you cook, it will sometimes it will taste a little bit bitter, and it will taste a lot better when you add it after. Okay, now I'm gonna add some lamb. Okay, for me, I like it a little bit sour, so I'm gonna add 2 pieces of lamb here. So that means I believe it's about like 1 tablespoon. Okay, but this is all up to you, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chili. Okay, and now I'm gonna give them the stir, give them a good mix. I'm ready to try it. I'm very excited because this is smell really good. It's gonna be so hot though. I'm sorry, I need the time to brown them a little bit. Oh my goodness, so good. If you love tom yum, please try this recipe. You will love it. All the herb and sweet from the onion and sour from tomato too, and super easy to make. You can do for your weekday or weekend, anytime. I promise you, if you like tom yum, I say that again, you will love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. If you like them, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.